Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Glam to Fab. So today I wanted to get on the trend train of Foxy eye makeup look, and I absolutely love the way it makes my face look so lifted. So starting here with moisturizer, and I'm using Pond's moisturizer.
The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go.
Next, going in with primer, which is Nykaa Prep Me Up Primer. Now I'm using Pond's BB cream in the shade Original, and I'm taking very tiny amount of it. Then going in with the foundation, which is Maybelline Fit Me, again very tiny, 1 or 2 pump, not more than that. Now blend it using a brush or a sponge. I'm using here a sponge for the flawless finish.
Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays.
Now comes my favorite concealer, which is LA Girl Pro Conceal.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Now to slightly brighten up the area, I'm going with second layer of concealer, which is from Maybelline Fit Me.
And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number.
And now to set my face, I'm again using Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder, and I'm just setting my face, I'm not baking. And now our face is set. Now moving to our eyes for that foxy makeup look, and I've already done my one eye. Now I will start with the other eye to complete our whole look. So I'm using here the Jaclyn Hills Dupe palette. Now taking that white shadow all over the eyes with the help of the blending brush. Now taking that light brown shade, and I'm going to focus all the shadows on the outer side of the eyes and creating that flick by holding the brush in a diagonal position. Just create that flick up. Then using the darker brown shade, I'm going to concentrate only on the lower lash line, very close to the lower lash line, and flick it up again to create that foxy look. So the camera is zoomed so that you can see everything very clearly. Now both the tails should be very symmetrical to each other. Now I am blending it with the help of the blending brush, so there is no harsh lines. Now again taking that darker brown shade from the palette and creating the tail more intense. Again only focusing on the corners of the eyes. Again just blending so that there are no harsh lines, and then going in with the black shade from the palette and again intensifying the tail from the outer corners to the midway. Now again using the darker brown shade for the lower lash line and connecting the tail from the lower lash line to combine the whole look. Then lastly, to complete the whole foxy eye look, I'm going to extend my inner corners following the natural shape and make a V shape. Now you can see that lifted effect very well. Now going in with Faces Canada Kajal to outline my upper waterline.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.
And now you can definitely see the lifted foxy eye look, which I'm so loving, and now using that white shade again to highlight under my brows and inner corners of my eyes, just to give more clean and definite look.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways.
Now quickly doing the rest of my face, and make sure everything you put, bronzer, highlighter, blush, on the higher points of your face to get that lifted look. Using the Maybelline Master Contour palette to further bronze, blush and highlight the higher points of my face.
Through the highways till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Now going in with Nykaa liquid lipstick in the shade Bombay to complete the whole look.
And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow.
And I just forgot to apply mascara, which is so important, and I'm just applying it on the outer lashes of my eyes, not the inner, to give that more voluminous foxy eye effect. And lastly, using NYX setting spray to set all the makeups and melt all the powders and make them more flawless. On the trend of foxy eye look, and I'm very happy with the result, and obviously practice makes everything perfect. And I hope you like this look, and if you try this look, do comment and make me know. Don't forget to subscribe and like, and see you all in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care, and thanks for watching.